We understand your pain and challenges. Meeting demanding job site schedules could be stressful. Operating with uncertainties and constant risks of hitting these elusive underground utilities. Every 30 seconds, someone hits a utility. Billions are invested in technologies and processes to avoid utility strikes. The reality proves it is just not enough. A dramatically different solution is required. RodRadar introduces the Live Dig Radar, the first ever ground-penetrating radar, integrated in an excavator digging bucket. Scan the earth and get immediate alerts of buried utilities, including position and depth. Continue digging with caution, using the real-time accurate data, avoiding hitting the detected utilities. The system detects any utility type. LDR is your only last line of defense. It improves safety, productivity, and efficiencies. Live Dig Radar. Unearth the unknown.